What's updated? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now euro dollar, what you see currently on the screen, this is the 4 hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunities arising. Before we see what it is, let's do a complete bigger picture on the higher time frame, and then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can find a significant trading opportunity. Now starting with the first of all monthly time frame to see what's happening with euro dollar. Now euro dollar, as you can see that this is the overall picture. It's a strongly bearish market over the couple of months, quite a few months, almost starting with this double top formation. Euro dollar started to create series of lower high and lower low and drop to this historical level of support zone. Now, if you draw this level of support, what do you see that this current month euro dollar has a bounce from this level of support. Now this is a very strongly bearish market, and we still can think of bearish move, though the price momentum is changing. The bearish market is slowly turning into bullish market, but it doesn't mean that euro dollar is likely to rise from here. As you have seen that there has been a bounce, and we can see now a significant movement to the downside before creating another impulse to the upside. So currently euro dollar over the bigger picture is bearish, but slowly now we are seeing that turning into bullish market. Now at this point, what you see, this is the monthly time frame, and the previous months we saw a long week candle here. Euro dollar just went to this zone. Now currently we see that primarily having little rejection from here. So let's see now on the weekly time frame how we can trade. Now what you see that euro dollar at this point on the weekly time frame, back to back 2 weeks we saw a bullish move. Now this current candle went to this liquidity zone. At this point, what we see primarily now having a reaction from this zone, as this is over the long term is a bearish market. So bearish move is always will be stronger than the bullish move until it change its downtrend to the uptrend. So as you can see, this is the weekly, and there is a trend line here. Let's draw this trend line on the weekly time frame, and we'll see a lower time frame where we can expect euro dollar. Now we can expect before this monthly close, as tomorrow there will be monthly close, which is very significant. We might see a reaction to the downside. Now let's see on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, as you can see, this is the previous support zone here now just been tested as a resistance, and we see that euro dollar now slowly dropping down. As in quite a few of my analysis, what I mentioned that euro dollar has created an imbalance in this zone. There is no, this zone has not been tested properly, and what I think is strongly believe that in this monthly candle close, euro dollar is likely to drop to this level to test this imbalance before creating any move to the upside. Even it might continue its downtrend, because this downtrend is not in one day. Rome is not built in one day, and it cannot be destroyed in one day as well. So similarly, a trend is not built in one day, which cannot be changed in even a single day. So with that being said, euro dollar, we might see that a significant movement to the downside at this point. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame, what kind of price action it is creating. Now in this 4 hour time frame, what we see, euro dollar, this is the level of resistance that we have talked about so far, and euro dollar currently has created kind of head and shoulder with this doji, and we saw that both there are two back to back session strong bearish candle. Looks like that it is reversing from here. At any point anything could happen, but what we see that looks like it's a bearish price action, and we might see from this zone a sudden move to the downside, as tomorrow there will be monthly close at least to this zone or maybe to this level of support. So with that being said, we are watching the price action from this zone for potential shorting opportunity with our VIP members and a student. And as soon as we will find significant trading opportunity, we will go short with a high risk to reward ratio. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.